Friends, here I will be talking about length and concatenation operations on strings. Now let me explain them with a simple example. See here, suppose I am defining a string variable, let's say my string, with data as Python. And here if you observe in your string, that is Python, we have 6 characters. But I want to get that count logically. So for that, Python provides a function called length. Now let me get that. Simply print your my string and then use one more print just to get the length of your string using length function. So save it and run it. See the result. You are getting Python, and in that we have 6 characters that we are getting here. Of course, you can also print using one print function just by separating them with comma. So save it and run it. Yes. Now, instead of directly printing the length of your string, you can store that result into a variable also. Let's say I'm taking a new variable called my string length equals to length of my string. Now you can use that variable to print your length of a string. So save it and run it. Yes, you are getting. That's fine. Now here in your string, suppose I am taking different data as Python is. Now how many characters are there? So actually you have 8 characters. Previously 6, now we added 2 more characters. But you will get result as 9 because space is also a character in our Python scripting or in our Python programming. That's why you are getting 9. That's it. So this is about simply length concept of Python strings. Now let me comment this code. Now let me go with your next concept, that is concatenation of strings. And here concatenation is nothing but adding 2 or more strings. So while adding 2 or more strings, right, all are strings, or some of them are strings and some of them are variables, and that variables sometimes that may be a string or sometimes that may be a number also. Let me go with step by step. See, suppose I'm taking print. This is a Python scripting and I'm writing one more line. Let's say this is also a programming. Save it and run it. See the result. You are getting 2 lines, right? So here what I am doing is I am removing print in the next line, and then between these 2 strings just I kept plus. Plus is nothing but add these 2 strings. So save it and run it. See the result. This is Python scripting and this is also programming. But of course between these 2 strings you are not getting any space. So for that what we can do is at the end of your first string you can provide some space. See the result. Now you are getting space here. Or at the beginning of your second string you can provide some space. Now see the result. Or but those two are not good practice. Instead of that, between these 2 strings we can add one empty string. See, I'm adding empty string. That's it. So first string, second string, between them just I added one space character. Now see the result. Yes, perfect. Fine. Now instead of directly printing your concatenation of strings, you can store them into a variable. Let me take my result string equals to. So first string plus empty string plus third string. Now you can print your my result string. Save it and run it. Yes, that's fine. Now let me comment these 2 lines. Now here what I am doing is I am defining a string 1. Let's say Python. And I am defining one more string called string 2 equals to, let's say, scripting. Now I want to concatenate these 2 strings. Yes, we can do it. So let me take a new variable called my string 3 equals to my string 1 plus my string 2. And then if you want to see the result, just print your my string 3. Save it and run it. You are getting Python scripting. Of course, between these two strings, you are not getting any empty space. So for that, you can add manually one empty space. That's it. Now save it and run it. Yes, you are getting. That's fine. Now, let me define a new string. Let's say my string 4 equals to, I want to add your string 1. Anyway, between string 1 and string 2, I want to place some space. That's fine. So after that, suppose I'm adding any number, let's say 5. Not only 5, you can take any number. And then I want to print that my string 4. Save it and run it. See the result. You are getting type error in line number 17 because you are trying to add concatenate string with integer. That is not possible. So while concatenation of strings, always your all data must be of same type, that is string. So here 5 is not a string, it is an integer, right? That's why we are not able to do that. But if you remember, we have one mechanism or concept called type conversion or typecast. So using that concept, you can convert your number into a string. See that? What I am doing is, using string function, I am converting my integer number into a string. Now save it and run it. Save it and run it. See the result? Python scripting and 5 you are getting. So between your second string and string of 5, if you want to get a space, yes, we can get it by including manually your space. Now see the result. So be clear, while adding your number into a string using concatenation concept, always you have to convert your other data type into a string. Okay, that's fine. And we are also having one more way to concatenate strings, that is using format or f strings. Now here, let me go with a simple way. Anyway, in our next video, we will see in detail about your format and f strings concept. That's fine. Now see, just assume that you have, let's say string 1 equals to, let's say Python, and string 2 equals to scripting, and string 3 equals to, let's say I'm taking this as number. Otherwise, instead of string 3, let me take my num, any variable, equals to, let's say 6. Now I'm creating a new string. Let's say my new string equals to, see how I'm doing. First string, for that I am using 2 curly braces, then space, second string, space, third string or a number, dot format. Then just write in sequence your variables. My string 1, my string 2, and then my number. Save it. Let me try to print your newly created variable, that is new string. Save it and run it. See the result? Python scripting 6 you are getting. So here we are not doing any typecasting, right? Like string of 5 or string of your number. So with the help of format function, we can easily concatenate strings as well as other data types. So actually this is advanced concept to concatenate strings. So we are also having f string concept. So in our next video, we will see in detail about format and also f string. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video.